Web3 developers constantly navigating the complex world of smart contracts can greatly benefit from VS Code extensions. Three standouts are the Solidity extension by Juan Blanco, which provides syntax highlighting, code snippets, and completion, making coding in Solidity a breeze. The Solidity plus Hardhat extension by Nomic Foundation integrates flawlessly with the Hardhat development environment, offering code completion, navigation, and formatting for a streamlined workflow. And lastly, for debugging smart contracts, the Solidity debugger by Mito is essential. It supports breakpoints, stepping through code, and inspecting local and state variables, making the identification and resolution of issues much easier. These three extensions, when combined with your preferred development environment, empower you with the tools necessary to build secure, reliable, and efficient smart contracts, ultimately contributing to a robust and thriving Web3 ecosystems.